Hello guys, in this video I will show you a VS Code extension for reading your Markdown files with a live preview and an editor. So by default, if you try to open a VS Code Markdown file in VS Code, it doesn't have a preview section. So it basically shows your Markdown files like this, as you see. So as you can see right here, if you do want to change something, you do have this. So as you type right here, the live preview that you actually seeing right here will automatically change as soon as you change the code in the markdown file. So as you see, we have this MD, which is a markdown file. So if you do have a markdown file, if you want to edit it directly with the live preview editor, you can do this very simply. As you see, I'm doing it. Simply open VS Code, and I'm using this extension called as Markdown. If you directly type Markdown in the extensions tab, so this will actually add this Markdown all in one. So I'm using this extension. So this makes it easy for you to side by side preview your Markdown file directly. As you see, we are doing it. You can make any kind of changes, change your text. You can see that. So it actually saved me a lot of time because I can directly preview and edit Markdown files with a built-in editor. Side by side, you can make changes. Just highlight which thing you want to edit. It will simply tell you. You can remove anything, you can edit something. Just highlight and it will point to that actual code. So you can see that how easy it is. Right click, simply it will highlight it. As you can see right here, just scroll down, everything is actually shown. So side by side, you can preview and edit your Markdown files in VS Code with this extension. So definitely check this out guys, it's very easy to do. So the thing is that simply open any Markdown file and you see this open preview to the site. So once you click this button, the preview will open directly and you will be able to edit any element from it. If you want to remove this, you can remove this. So in this easy way, you can do this.